my name is Keith Lee, and I work for BBC Electric Company. Over there, we make things, we repair things like TV.
Your phone broke. What do you do in a case when your phone breaks? You take your good old trusty toothbrush and you start brushing it. You have to do it for a few hours. Might even take days, but I just got back to you when it's done. It's taking quite a bit to brush. It's night now, but I'll cut back to you in a little bit. Alright, it should be almost done. And it's clean! And look at that. It's clean now. Man. Super. What is that? What is that? iPhone 16. Oh, this is the preview version. Goddamn.